How professionals clean. Travertine. Fabritec tile cleaning. If you're fed up with your travertine floors looking dull and dirty, you're not alone. We get a lot of questions from people asking things like, how can I make my travertine look new again? How can I make my travertine look better? How do I get my travertine shiny? What's the best cleaner for travertine? How do I clean dirty travertine pavers? Travertine is beautiful, but it has tiny pores that trap dirt and grime, which means the usual cleaning methods just don't cut it. If you're struggling to keep it looking its best, we understand the frustration. This video will walk you through how we, at Fabritec, tackle these issues and bring your travertine back to life. Every job we take on begins with a full inspection. We don't rush in. We take the time to check for stains, etching, cracks, missing grout, and any other damage. By identifying these issues early, we can choose the right cleaning approach and restoration methods to get your floors looking as good as new. Once we've assessed everything, we apply heavy-duty cleaners to lift dirt, grime, and sealer residue. We use a professional-grade scrubbing machine to agitate the surface and remove the grime without damaging the stone. For deep stains, we use specialist treatments or poultices that pull out the dirt, and we pay extra attention to grout lines and holes to ensure they're free of dirt and bacteria. After cleaning, we rinse everything with high-pressure water and capture any leftover residue. The equipment incorporates a high-volume wet vacuum to remove excess moisture and speed up the drying process. Next, we handle repairs. Whether it's cracks, holes, or missing grout, we use the right fillers to restore your travertine to its original beauty, making sure everything is secure and seamless. To protect the stone, we offer two sealing options: a penetrating sealer for a polished or natural finish, or a matte, sheen or gloss finish surface sealer for worn or filled travertine. Both options will ensure that your floors are shielded from future stains and damage. Before finishing up, we do one final inspection. We make sure there are no imperfections, ensure the floor is completely dry, and that it's ready for use. Finally, we'll give you all the advice you need on the best cleaning products, tools, and maintenance schedule to keep your travertine looking its best for years to come. That's the full process, from start to finish. If you've had enough of scrubbing with no results, let us give your travertine the professional care it deserves. If you're in or around New Malden and need help with your travertine, give us a call today on 0137 266 4337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk for more details.